Auto Repair went from this small 3-bay shop on a residential street doing $200,000 a year. And as soon as we kicked those marketing efforts into high gear, the growth really started to happen. And so, you know, lots has happened since 2017 and now, including that we've moved into a way larger shop. We've got, you know, 5 bays down there, as well as that's not even counting an alignment rack and an overflow bay in a little overflow space down the street that we had to rent. So, you know, that has obviously been conducive to our growth as well, including the team, the talent, all of those things. But you know, the growth that has happened in our marketing efforts and just especially in the web presence and the amount of leads we get from the web has grown a lot. So even just to speak for the last year, we are now, at the beginning of 2023, our traffic is up 120% from where it was even last year. And that's only just grown, you know, wildly since we first started. But up 120% in traffic just in this past year. Whereas also this same time last year, organic traffic accounted for about 40% of our total traffic. Now it accounts for about 65%. And on top of that, we do still invest money in Google Ads, but we have to do so a lot less now. Because after a few years of seeding that traffic with ads, what we have found is that we're able to rely more on organic traffic than that paid traffic. So this time last year, paid traffic accounted for 16% of the total traffic to our website. Now it's only about 4%. That's really all we need to sort of supplement what's coming in organically. And how does that organic traffic happen? It's from all of the ongoing search engine optimization efforts, content creation, social media brand awareness, all of those things that's driving traffic into the website now. So, you know, I guess all of that is to say that while we still invest heavily in marketing, we've been able to optimize those dollars over the years. So now when it comes to ads, we're paying less per click, paying less per lead, and paying less overall every month in ads because of the amount that we've invested in that ongoing content creation and making sure that we have a good, healthy site that, you know, performs well, has a good user experience, keeps people on the site all the way from when they find us in a Google search to when they, you know, click that contact or fill out that form or pick up the phone and call us.